5th of August is finally here. Centuries-old dispute between the Babri Mosque issue and the Ram Janmabhoomi finally settled in November 2019 by the Apex Court. With the foundation stone now being laid in Ayodhya, the temple town, we bring for you an exclusive 3D image of what the Ram temple could possibly be. That 3 years before its construction begins. So let's take you floor by floor of how possibly will this Ram temple look like. Let's go inside. So when you enter into the temple, this is possibly what the devotees will see for the first time. There behind me, this will be the Sanctum Sanctorum, also called the Garbhagriha. This is where we are being told that the idol of the Ram Lalla is going to be kept, the child form of the Lord Ram. So this is where the devotees are going to get the first glimpse on the first floor. But don't think this is it, because what the architect's images reveal is that the grandeur of Ram temple is going to be at another level. So what are the dimensions and how big is it being planned? Let me take you to the second floor. Walking into the second floor, you will have not just the images of Lord Ram, but also of Goddess Sita and perhaps other gods and goddesses as well. Remember, Ayodhya is a town where it goes back about the history of King Dasarath as well, and the rule of Lord Ram that is respected and regarded. So this floor is going to be the Ram Darbar, which is in many ways the assembly of Lord Ram. So devotees, after offering prayers, remember, could be lakhs in number, could just spend a little time here at the Ram Darbar as well. But now let's take you to the third floor, precisely to show you the grandeur of the Ram temple. Just looking at these pillars, even in a 3D model frame, makes you realize the architectural grandeur that is expected at the Ram temple. In accordance with Hindu beliefs, it will be 161 feet height to 140 width, and importantly, there will be 318 pillars in total, 106 pillars each on each floor. So therefore, the mention of the temple will also be in accordance to the history, to the architecture that is being specifically designed for this temple. And remember, all this amid, there is holy river water from 100 rivers that's already been brought into Ayodhya for the Bhumi Pujan ceremony. The architecture has not been left to imagination. Pristine details have been created by the Sampura architecture family from Gujarat. Take a look at every wall, because from the 3D model frame, it is clear that there are carvings that will be intricate, that have been designed even on paper with exact precision and detail. So whether, even if we try and look up on the ceiling, it is going to be huge, massive in the detailing style, and that is going to be in accordance with Hindu history. So there could possibly be figurines here in the temple as well, in the manner to reflect on precisely the architecture that could be a world wonder. On 70 acres or more, it is important to remember that the Ram temple has come after years of politics and, importantly, a court battle. But with even one of the litigants, Iqbal Ansari, planning to come for the Bhumi Pujan ceremony, be a part, perhaps is now hope that there will be only peace for the holy town of Ayodhya. And with the construction of Ram temple, there will be no hate politics anymore, but only possibly the return of Ram Rajya, specifically with regard to communal harmony.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.